Impulsive investing, this form of investing has ruined, has spoiled the lives of many investors, and very few people talk about it. This is Arvind Jain. I coach people build a multi-crore property empire. If you have heard people say that real estate is not our cup of tea, whenever we put money into real estate, we lost tons of money. In Marwadi, they say, real estate mein maro leniyo chukoni. These are the victims of impulsive investing. When an experienced investor does impulsive investing, the type of mistakes which he commits are very small. And even with those mistakes, he knows how to jump out of it, how to recover his money out. Even if he's stuck with a bad inventory of properties, he knows how to sell them, how to encash them and come out of the market. But if an innocent investor does impulsive investing and makes big blunders, coming out of the property market, encashing his properties is a challenge. Let me give you an example. You get into a vibrant party, into a cozy party, and in the dining hall there are 250 dishes. You pick up a plate and you start tasting one dish after the other, and then until you have tasted 40 dishes. By now your stomach is revolting, your stomach is kicking you back. You want to vomit out, but nothing is coming out. You have that salty feeling in your throat. So you decide to leave the plate and walk out of the dining hall. As you walk out of the dining hall, you see that there are many other dishes which are more friendly to your tummy, which you can digest them easily, which you can eat in much larger quantities, and they are your favorite dishes. You have missed all of them. When you reach home, you're not able to sleep. Somehow you crush yourself into the bed and you try to fall asleep, and you have a disastrous sleep. The next day morning, in the bathroom, you put all the pressure in the world on your bowels and try to throw out what you have consumed the last night. It feels very painful, but you're determined to do it. And after completing it, you don't have much energy left. You miss your fitness. Somehow you push yourself to work. You go to office. Even there, your attention is somewhat disturbed. Your focus is not there. Now think back. 15 seconds of impulsive 15 seconds of impulsive behavior screwed up your beautiful party, screwed up your night's sleep, and screwed up your next day in the office. Many people who have earned a lot of money in other businesses hear rosy stories about real estate, about properties, and they also want to make the same type of money without actually learning the game. So they jump into the property market with a big bag of money. And when they jump into the property market, their friends, relatives, customers, suppliers become very excited. They are eager to help them out. And they think that all these guys, these investors think that all these guys are doing a favor on them. So they want to return back that favor. They want to keep all of them satisfied. They end up buying properties suggested by all of them without knowing how those properties are going to produce cash, without knowing how those properties are going to be sold back, without knowing who's going to use those properties and how are they going to use those properties. After 3-4 years, they realize that they have various types of properties, they don't know how to handle properties, they don't know how to measure properties, they don't know how to protect. Then they realize they are not able to encash those properties, they are not able to rent those properties, they are not able to sell those properties. They can't do anything with those properties. So finally, they decide that somehow they have to sell their properties. And it takes for them another 3 to 5 years to learn how to sell those properties. They learn how to advertise those properties, how to attract the right clients to those properties, what to speak to those clients. They do this all alone. And after a bitter experience, somehow they are able to sell those properties and recover some portions or major portions of their investment back. So they have lost a lot of time and they have not made much money. Now, this could be a bitter joke on them. If the real estate market shoots up and the properties which they have sold, suddenly if their prices shoot up, they will feel immensely horrible. They will get extensively frustrated. I wish that never happens to anyone. So blindly investing in the real estate market without knowing the actual game which goes inside the real estate market can be very disastrous. One could lose 10 to 15 years of his life and somehow recover his money back with a lot of difficulty, and may not make much returns or may even make losses. Around this video, you'll find links to my webinar where I teach you 3 blunders that destroy property empires much before they even take off. All the best.